Students, in this section we will start with our unit 5, that is deep learning and expert system. So the concepts are neuron, linear perceptron as neuron, neural network architecture, the working layers, activation functions, feed forward neural network, limitations of neurons, then what is DBN, their large scale model, high volume data, variety, velocity of data, local minima, its types, and the details of expert system. So starting with neuron, what is neuron? Neurons are the building blocks in neural network. Now as we are talking about neural network is nothing but the combination of neurons, and that's why we can say that neurons are the building blocks in neural networks. So we can say that they are the collection of nodes, and that nodes are nothing but neurons. So neural networks are simply an aggregation for neurons working together towards the same goal, which generally is perform a given task achieving the least possible error. Means what is neural network? It is the combination of neurons, and all these neurons are working together so that they can achieve the same goal. And what is their task? Their task is achieving the least possible error. So what neurons are doing, neurons also receives this name of nodes, we can say. Each and every neuron is different, and that's why it is very much easy to know that at which level which neurons are organized. Generally they are stacked one after another so that we can pick them from the network. So there are the parts of neurons that we will see. The parts of neurons are collector, activator, and the distributor. So the collector, as its name is collector, its function is to aggregate the incoming connection from other networks. In biological terms, it is known as the synapse connections. Now why I am talking about biological connection? Because neuron is inspired from biological neuron. And so collector, its function is to aggregate the incoming connection from all other networks, and if it is in biological terms it is called as the synapse connections. So it is we can say its act is of aggregating the summation, and it is having the very important part as it is collecting, means it's aggregating the connection from the networks. That is collector, which is the important part of neuron. Then the activator, the activation of the received signal aggregated in the collector is the process occurring inside the network body. So what is activation? It is the activator. It is doing activation of the received signal, and which is aggregated in the collector. So in deep learning it is modeled by the so-called activation function, and these functions can vary in the form, means the functions can be same but it can vary in the form, but they simply apply the function to the signal passed by the collector. These functions are generally non-linear, since the activator is the only part of neuron where we could introduce the capability of learning non-linear mappings, which are required for the vast majority of the real world scenario. Then comes the distributor. So distributor simply collects the signal after the activator and send it. But how it is sending? It is sending with equal intensity. And to whom they are sending? To the rest neurons, in which the neurons are connected to. So the graphical representation of neural network is there, where single neuron is connected to the next layer of the stacked neuron. So these are the parts of neurons which are responsible for forming the neural network connections. And generally the connections between the different neurons are represented by the edges, because neurons are connected by the edges. So this is all about neuron and parts of neuron. In our next section we will see the linear perceptron as neuron. Thank you.